You've already done the hard part. You built an audience that trusts you. So here's a question. What if you could launch your own beauty brand with zero inventory and zero money upfront? No warehouse full of product you're praying sells. Your fans pre-order first, we make it, and you earn on every single sale. It's called Creator Drop. Let me show you exactly how it works. Normally, launching a beauty product means ordering thousands of units, paying tens of thousands upfront, and hoping people buy. That's the risk that stops most creators cold. Creator Drop flips it. Instead of making the product and then hoping for demand, your fans reserve theirs first, and we only produce once enough of them have. You prove the demand before a single dollar goes into manufacturing. Here's the whole flow, start to finish. 1. Co-create. We design the formula, the packaging, and the price around you and your audience. 2. Pre-order. You share your personal link and your fans reserve with a 50% deposit. The rest is only charged when it ships. 3. Produce. The moment enough fans reserve to hit your goal, production is confirmed, made fresh to order. 4. Deliver. It ships straight to your fans, and you earn on every unit sold. So what do you actually make? You keep 25% of every unit sold. Say your product retails at $28, that's $7 in your pocket per unit. A sold-out drop of 1,000 units is $7,000, with $0 up front and zero inventory ever touching your hands. Your payout scales with the price you set. You're in control of the numbers from day one. And it's built to feel effortless. Your fans get a polished pre-order page. You get a live dashboard, reservations, earnings, and order status, all tracked automatically. And here's the part that makes it truly risk-free. Nothing is made, and no one is charged the balance until your goal is met. If a drop doesn't hit its goal, every fan is refunded in full. It costs you nothing to try. If you've got an audience that keeps asking what you use, what you'd recommend, what you love, that's not just engagement. That's a brand waiting to happen. Creator Drop is how you turn that trust into a real product with your name on it, without the risk that usually comes with it. You can design your first drop in about 60 seconds. The link is in the description, or book a quick intro call and we'll build it with you. No cost, no pressure either way. If this was useful, tap like and subscribe. Let's build your first drop.